He won't believe this. 20 classic cars for under $5,000. Some even cheaper than a used phone. Number 1. 1971 AMC Hornet, $3,000. Starting the list is a 1971 AMC Hornet located in Detroit, Michigan. This classic compact American car reportedly has only around 14,000 original miles and is powered by a 232 inline-six engine paired with an automatic transmission. The car is described as being about 97% original, with only the seats and LED headlights replaced. According to the seller, the vehicle runs and drives and most systems are functional, including the brakes, heater, defrost, lights, and wipers. However, it currently uses a manual fuel pump setup, which limits the car to around 35 miles per hour until the mechanical pump and gas line are replaced. The seller mentions typical minor rust for a car of this age, but states that the frame remains solid. With new tires and a clean Michigan title, this Hornet appears to be a running classic project priced at $3,000. Number 2. 1972 Ford LTD Bravo, $2,100. Next is a 1972 Ford LTD Bravo located in Hellertown, Pennsylvania. This full-size American sedan is equipped with a 400 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The car was originally purchased as a project, but is now being sold before the restoration could begin. According to the seller, the frame and undercarriage are clean since the vehicle originally came from Northern California. However, the roof will eventually need repair after rust pinholes were discovered when the vinyl top was removed. The right side fender and door also have visible damage. Mechanically, the engine currently has low compression in one cylinder and will require repair, which means the car will likely need to be towed. With an asking price of $2,100, it appears to be a large vintage cruiser awaiting restoration. Number 3. 1977 Chevrolet Nova, $3,000. Next on the list is a 1977 Chevrolet Nova two-door located in Pendleton, Indiana. This late 1970s compact Chevrolet is powered by a 250 cubic inch inline-six engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The odometer shows approximately 64,000 miles. According to the seller, the car last ran about 10 years ago before being parked and stored. The tires are still usable but have aged over time due to sitting. While the vehicle will likely need mechanical attention before returning to the road, the Nova remains a popular platform for restoration or engine swaps. With a price of $3,000, this example appears to be a straightforward classic project. Number 4. 1975 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LT, $4,500. Next is a 1975 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LT Coupe located in Butler, Indiana. This classic mid-1970s personal luxury coupe reportedly runs and drives. The car has had its rear quarter panels replaced and comes with an additional 1975 Monte Carlo parts car included in the deal, although the parts car does not have a title. The seller notes that the front end on the running car currently comes from a 1976 model with stacked headlights, while the original round single headlight style could be swapped from the parts vehicle if desired. With both cars included and an asking price of $4,500, this Monte Carlo package could be an interesting option for someone restoring a mid-1975 Chevrolet Coupe. Number 5. 1977 BMW 320i, $950. Next is a 1977 BMW 320i located in Kent, Ohio. This early example of the BMW 3 Series is being offered as a non-running project or parts car. The vehicle reportedly has around 130,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. The car is described as rusty but still rolls easily, which suggests it can be moved and transported without major issues. Despite its rough condition, early BMW E21 models are becoming more appreciated among enthusiasts. With a clean title and an asking price of just $950, this BMW could serve as a restoration challenge or a useful donor vehicle for parts.
Six, 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe, $3,500. Next is a 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe located in Monroe Center, Illinois. This classic American muscle-era car originally came equipped with a V8 engine, although the seller states that the motor is currently locked up. The underside of the vehicle reportedly has significant rust damage, making this example more suitable as a parts car rather than a simple restoration. However, the sale does include a large number of extra components, such as bumpers, fenders, cylinder heads, transmission parts, and additional body pieces. Even in rough condition, classic Mustangs remain highly desirable among collectors and builders. At $3,500 including extra parts, this listing appears to be aimed primarily at someone needing components for another project. Seven, 1978 Lincoln Continental Town Coupe Cartier Edition, $5,000. Next is a 1978 Lincoln Continental Town Coupe Cartier Edition, located in Evansville, Indiana. This luxury coupe is powered by a large 460 cubic inch big block V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The odometer shows approximately 66,000 miles, and the car reportedly starts easily after receiving a rebuilt carburetor and water pump. The exterior and interior are both finished in gray, giving the vehicle a classic late 1970s luxury appearance. According to the seller, the car does need some cosmetic work, and the power steering and brakes will require attention. Still, with its large V8 engine and Cartier trim package, this Lincoln represents a distinctive example of American luxury from the era. Eight, 1978 Chevrolet C10 Super Cheyenne, $4,800. Next is a 1978 Chevrolet C10 Super Cheyenne pickup located in Dawsonville, Georgia. This classic truck is powered by a 350 engine paired with a manual NV3500 transmission. The vehicle has received several upgrades, including aluminum cylinder heads, long tube headers, a camshaft upgrade, new lights, a new windshield, and new tires. The truck has also been lowered using a flip kit with a C-notch and lowering springs. According to the seller, the truck runs and drives but still needs some tuning adjustments to the valves and ignition timing, and the throwout bearing makes noise when the clutch is engaged. With a price of $4,800, this modified C10 appears to be a running project truck with performance upgrades. Nine, 1972 Volkswagen Super Beetle, $2,000. Next is a 1972 Volkswagen Super Beetle located in Union, Missouri. This classic air-cooled Volkswagen has around 100,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. The car features fiberglass wide fenders, upgraded suspension components, and new sway bars. The brakes are said to work, and the vehicle includes a number of extra parts such as lights, new carpet, a rear apron, and a newly installed fuel tank. The seller notes that the engine can be included for an additional cost, but the listed price is for the car without the engine. With a clean title and a price around $2,000, this Beetle appears to be a customizable project for VW enthusiasts. Ten, 1972 Lincoln Continental Mark Series, $5,000. Closing out the first part is a 1972 Lincoln Continental located in Maryville, Tennessee. This large American luxury coupe is equipped with an automatic transmission and is described by the seller as a clean car that runs and drives. While the listing does not include many detailed specifications, Lincoln models from this era were known for their large engines, comfortable interiors, and distinctive styling. With an asking price of $5,000, this example appears to be a functional vintage luxury car that could still serve as a weekend cruiser.
11. 1973 Ford F-250 Camper Special, $3,000. Next is a 1973 Ford F-250 Camper Special located in Fort Wayne, Indiana. This heavy-duty classic pickup is powered by a 390 V8 engine that was reportedly rebuilt around 36,000 miles ago and paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck has been driven across the United States over the years, and the owner even kept trip logs dating back more than 40 years. Recent maintenance includes a new fuel tank, fresh fluids, belts, alternator, and regulator. It also features dual exhaust, power steering, and front disc brakes. According to the seller, the truck runs and drives great and has been used regularly. At $3,000, it appears to be a solid classic work truck with plenty of history behind it. 12. 1963 Ford Falcon, $500. Next is a 1963 Ford Falcon 4-door located near Leachville, Arkansas, with an extremely low asking price of just $500. The seller describes it as a former grandma's car with around 55,000 miles and a 200 inline-6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The car reportedly ran well the last time it was started about a year ago. It will need a battery and fresh fuel to start again, and the interior seats are missing, although a pair of bucket seats are included. There is also some damage around the grille area. Despite the rough condition, the seller states that the engine sounded strong when last started. With a clear title and such a low price, this Falcon could be an interesting budget restoration or project. (13) 1957 Ford Ranchero, $2,500. Next is a 1957 Ford Ranchero located in Onstead, Michigan. The Ranchero is one of the earliest American car-based pickups and combines styling from classic 1950 sedans with a small truck bed. According to the seller, the body and frame are very solid since the vehicle originally came from California and Texas. However, a previous owner modified the roof and performed a poorly executed chop-top job. The engine and transmission condition are unknown because the vehicle has been sitting for many years in a barn and may be locked up. Despite that, the tires still hold air, and the car comes with a Michigan title. With its unique design and classic 1950 styling, this Ranchero could be a challenging but interesting restoration project. (14) 1978 Ford F-150 Ranger XLT, $3,800. Next is a 1978 Ford F-150 Ranger XLT, located in Lexington, Kentucky. This classic late 1970s pickup is powered by a 351M V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. The truck reportedly runs and drives well and has around 75,000 original miles. The frame is described as being in great condition, which is often an important factor for trucks of this age. The seller notes only a few minor fluid leaks but no major issues. Finished in white with a burgundy interior, this Ranger XLT represents a relatively clean example of a classic Ford pickup. With an asking price of $3,800, it appears to be a usable vintage truck rather than just a project. (15) 1976 Chevrolet C20, $3,800. Next is a 1976 Chevrolet C20 long bed pickup located in Abingdon, Virginia. This truck features a straight 6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and is described as running well. The seller highlights the truck's beautiful patina and an older custom interior. The vehicle also has relatively new tires mounted on newer Silverado aluminum wheels and comes with an additional set of turbine wheels with new tires. Other recent updates include a new muffler and tailpipe. While the truck does have some rust, the seller says it is far less severe than many trucks of this era. With its classic look and functional condition, this C20 could make a solid vintage work truck or cruiser.
16. 1974 Ford F-100, $2,000. Next is a 1974 Ford F-100 located in Brownsville, Wisconsin. This pickup is powered by a 302 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck reportedly starts and moves, but will need brake repairs before it can be safely driven on the road, meaning it will likely need to be transported on a trailer. The seller also notes several fluid leaks, including engine oil, transmission fluid, and coolant from the heater core. The truck was originally purchased with plans for restoration, but the owner is moving and no longer has space for the project. With a clean title and a price of $2,000, it appears to be a straightforward restoration candidate. 17. 1979 MG Midget, $1,000. Next is a 1979 MG Midget, located in Spotsylvania, Virginia. This small British roadster has approximately 62,000 miles and a manual transmission. The seller states that the engine starts and runs, but the car currently does not drive due to several mechanical issues. It likely needs a new fuel tank and possibly a clutch slave cylinder and water pump. The vehicle has also been sitting for about 5 years and will need general maintenance and restoration work. Despite that, MG Midgets remain popular among enthusiasts for their lightweight design and classic British sports car character. At $1,000, this example could be a very inexpensive entry into vintage sports cars. 18. 1967 Ford Ranchero, $3,500. Next is a 1967 Ford Ranchero, located in Loveland, Ohio. This example originally came from Arizona and has only been in Ohio for about a year, which could mean it avoided long-term rust exposure earlier in its life. The seller mentions having limited knowledge about the vehicle, but is selling it because they do not have time to restore it. Like other Ranchero models, this vehicle combines coupe styling with a small pickup bed, making it a unique classic utility vehicle. With a price of $3,500, it could be an appealing project for someone interested in restoring a classic Ford. (19) 1970 Volkswagen Squareback, $2,800. Next is a 1970 Volkswagen Squareback, located in Anderson, South Carolina. This classic Volkswagen Type 3 wagon is described as a solid car that mainly needs cleaning and mechanical attention. The vehicle currently does not run and may need engine work after sitting for some time, possibly due to rodents or general wear. The car features 8-spoke wheels and is being sold with a notarized bill of sale rather than a traditional title. Squarebacks have become increasingly popular among vintage Volkswagen enthusiasts due to their unique wagon design and practicality. At $2,800, this example appears to be another restoration project. Finally, closing out the list is a 1977 Ford Mustang Coupe, located in Clayton, North Carolina, with an asking price of only $500. This Mustang has been sitting for many years and is described as rusty but potentially salvageable. The seller notes that it could make a good race car or restoration project for someone willing to take on the work. Because of its long period of storage, the vehicle will need to be transported by trailer. While this generation of Mustang is often overlooked compared to earlier models, it can still serve as an affordable starting point for a project build. At just $500, it is one of the cheapest cars on the entire list. Which one would you actually buy? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more classic car finds.